Therefore, they be a sorry, yet say in some fufro. Wait there, ye free Ghana, echo another African country, your friend Zambia. Now, I don't know, me name for me name. As I never chance on subscribe and I click the notification bell no, and no any other screen so see I'm share. This is a pepe and my latest news be about once I can. Me name the entire waba ebeye BBC. Na send ya wawe who newspaper eda we nim no Zambia for newspaper mensaka say female banker just waba we ye adwuma e wo bank ya suspended no na suspension na ya suspended no obi be bisa say edien e na waye ya suspended no say woni mbema bako a ebru 200 ada embra wo ye adwuma e wo bank no na say before what pepper be ye juma e wo bank okra no yen kan ye be ma yo wo sha se wo ye juma e wo bank no woni be ma bako 200 e na ada etiefo eno ene nsema eba na me read the article no ye wi na yakọ newspaper ni mo senya wa wo hu e wo screen so no na minim ebia ya beti nsema se e wo article nim na o say a Zambian female banker has been suspended for allegedly having sexual affairs with over 200 men in exchange for their request. Or say, the woman identified as Mutale Winfreda has been using her influence as a branch senior bank executive. Not just say, bank no, which branch now we juma woha, we penny e woho, we senior executive, senior bank executive. What you say? She has been using her influence as a branch senior bank executive to sleep with different men, promising them jobs at the bank and approving their bank loan applications in return to enjoying their bed energies. Hey! I say mainly, just say, one no obano. Or catch them and say, and now will be eba bank or no, Shana say, the Bakuni Hucha, and then the Bakuni ever shade Juma, or back and say, oh, a Juma de mount, but a dear Bako or why I was say, well, yet. Nani bakuni bizanse adie ben wo se o say ubie mi ja nani bakuni so bie ni ja na le bakuni bie ni ja wi a ejuma no so fa mo mo na obi aba bank se wo beji loan akoye na ejuma bi no na ma bi atrend se loan ne de me na e wo se me sign e ma loan no ye approve e de ma na answer na me ma ya approve loan amount no se wo de me ekofie na wo san so ko bie me ja na esanze de bakonu wo pelo ni ntino na wono nso ejiemu ama wo ba no na me de nsem bi sei no eya embema na yete se wo moye embema na se be wo ba be pe adwuma wo se ma me ne wo ndari answer wo ba be pe bibia wo se yese me bie gya answer na wo ba wo ye bibi sei de nsem aye kana se ade abema betumi aye wo ba be ye ama na broso. This is a typical example. Just a one name bema bako 200 na ni na line we aso clients be ba oh no man the promise not just a pa we bieja we are no ato omo hey no then who feel me na na sa na wodo na di so therefore as we maintain you na your transfer I say the just we be 39 o sha we 39 I say the 39-year-old banker's suspension comes after about 10 men lodged their complaint to the management of the bank. Now to say the man who ya sacking the crowd say remember bako 10 eba banko ebe chair say mami promise you loan na waka say me nkonko bieja ansa me ko bieja no afi won fi mi biom into obema bako ba e no be kan e no mu so e bia bema no masa na obema o bieja wo ba we ya de be reported wa won South Africa sa na e be kan omo sha na second person aba omo sha third person aba fourth fifth sixth seventh eighth ninth 10th e hono mu say dabi asem we yantena se anka sanfa ho a e be say your image as a bank because ebia wo bi be ka say oh na say we there ma be no na open ho e na wo say wo ma embema na bie ne ja bank na dey say bo suspended no minim say ana mi chidi say eno ne nsema wo bi e be kan but for the bank ni din e na sebe wo dey ye adwuma we na ke your no personal life kra na yes na ke bia wo betumi apade ne kakra but on the bank ni din say oh bema loan oh sikana abeje no mema ya approve your amount oh member we juma what I say ni bank ni din na wo say no na wo de wo de ji we ni won pem hey as a report have it that she is still unmarried because of her quest to attain different academic qualifications before finding a partner. And actually say one no there one worry one fan told us also one person worry one worry and identity I won't worry no and no reason they say was say what person addition will do level be answer what to me a worry. Not to say be our person what meaning one year executive no or yes senior executive me just say be our master's degree it be our person what doctorate degree and sana obi lim say sans sem na work no just an excuse what person what the both Jamaians or worry because obi say they want to know say our year and then a lie na obi only member wo be share say wo ye bank ejuma only member ba ko 200 ada say bi wo kunu ba ko pe a ba ko worry ni wo fie de wo no ensu o only member 200 ada na nipa ba ko na be so da bi ensu etiefo nti yambra back to newspaper picture na wa wu hu no wo say ebia na will be data me show newspaper picture in say ebia na obi beka say news o ya na yakofa e na ye de ba se na wa hu no enye ya na yafa e de ba e ya de a esi o say a Zambia female bank employee at Zanaco there's a bank in no Zanaco has been suspended for sleeping with over 200 different men, both clients and job seekers. Zambian Observer reports the woman has been identified as Mutali Wafrida, who has been using her influence as a branch senior bank executive to sleep with different men, promising them jobs at the bank and approving their bank loan applications in return to enjoying their bed. Enjoying their bed energies. And no lamenti asieno. Hey! Hey! Getting some baby I sorry getting some na we dear. Amama kai story bi abede prayer I think ebeye a month and 2 months ago of zookeeper bia wo kwachi eye zoo emwa no ene omoda ya wo hwe omo a twese emwa no wanyenye momo no yego bisa no say emwa ne de wo mo ye the girlfriend so do emwa no so do no we story no akoye ye beka say the weird no me ka say the same story but ye beka say send your story no ye very weird no when so weird sir. Now I say according to Zambian Observer, the bank management decided to suspend her after more than 10 men formally lodged complaints against her. It is reported that she is 39 years old and still unmarried because of a quest to attain different academic qualifications before finding a partner. The same way, we call Zambia and there. Ebimu who say na just say wa share picture na a tally wo newspaper no wo picture na e wo left we say yes wo bay sabe eje wo ba wo be ka se ne ho otan wo bay ne hu twa the way she looks wa wo hwe ne sro utumi say yes wo say nipa de utumi hu nipa body etumi assessing the ye be ka the assets that ya utumi say yes o krekra nyama fine. Hey, but say only member pa we put there we send am di kan we ye wo ma wo ne oba bank a wo ne oboda ayo tell say e dia na bra bo school a wo call ye university a wo call ye member wo ne omo adania e bia be ba be kan wo be hwe ye na abro e bia 1000 o we put your bank ejuma wo sha ase say wo ye no and no ne ye hu de say wo ne member 200 and ada. Hey, na eto de bia wo wo maimu ye va say wo Ghana na o tin nsem bia wo be fi say o e bia na Ghana pe e na nsem bi say ACC sa na wo be ka wo be fi say Ghana pe na e bia nsem bi say ACC but wo hu me share that na me the story we eba because e ya na e bi go fi say o chale other African countries need the ejo Ghana there na say wo be say da bi maza be bia njo sa na story we there mentiase but akoye asembia ana comment bia me hu efa assembly ho no asema wo bi kan say oh we story we send ya ye ka ho asem no nanka ye obema bi na ye ya na nka wonya sure say sa wo be man ka na nka be suspend no na nka bank be suspend no e wo Africa ha eno ne sama nkrofo e ka say oyo be ma bi e na say be won mba 200 e na ada na nka ebia story no e blow up say na nka nkrofo be ka say hey be ma we die wo ye guy but e yo ba no hwe asema nkrofo e ka nkrofo e didi na tem etiefo nkrofo e didi na tem itino chewaje e wo so wo hwa e ye be ma na ye bibi say ya na nka senia nkrofo kasa senia ba newspaper mu no wugidi se na nka sa na be kasa afa asem ne ho ana chewaje e wo comment box no etiefo me da say